go see what
Come
we can
on,
find.
let's look. Let's look around in here. Let's. You found one?
Go get it.
Put it in your basket. Let me use that one. Oh, good job. All right, let's look for more in here.
Did you see any more?
You found another one? You found more? Oh, this is fun. You found another one?
Yeah, there's a lot.
Look at all those eggs.
Show them to me. Let me see.
More?
Are there more? Go
Let's
see if
keep
there's more.
looking.
Where would they be?
You found another?
Are there more?
Any more?
Are there any more?
He realized his feet are wet. Keep looking. I think there's more. You're doing a good job finding those. More eggies?
Here, how about we come up here?
Let's keep looking.
Come over here. Open it up. Come up this way. Maybe there's more over here. Hey, come in here. Let's come in here.
Let's keep looking.
Look right here. Yeah.
Wow. You found another one, Noah?
Still with the secret passage. Are there more?
Let's keep looking.
Looking. You found it.
What color was that one?
Keep looking over here. See another one? Some more close over here? Oh, look. Look. Yeah, you found it. He's a blue one, that's right. Did you see if there's more? You got a lot.
He doesn't have them all?
There might be one more. Let's go see if we can find the last one.
And then we'll count our eggs.
Let's go see if we can find the last one.
No.
Noah, look at all those eggs. Are those the ones we colored last night? 4, 6, 8. Looks like there's 10 in there, so we're missing 2. Whoops.
Missing 2.
Yeah, we're gonna look for 2 more. That's a big basket, isn't it? Is it heavy? Are you looking for more eggs? Where are you?
Hey, Noah.
Is there one in there? You found another one under there? Oh, neat. They're all hiding, aren't they? And are we missing another one?
I think that's it. That might be it. I think we have them all. Should we count them?
1, 2, 3.
There's 3.
Let's count all of
There's more
them.
than 3.
1, 4, 5, 6. Behind that way.
Hun, am I only counting 11?
11 go.
One more. I think it's in here. Should we find it? Where would it be?
Let's
Where would
look.
it be?
Look everywhere.
Nose.
Maybe search this side. Search on this side.
That was egg.
Is that on a silly face?
That is silly.
Nose egg.
No, is it? Okay.
Cold egg.
It's cold? It's because it's been outside.
Cats. Cold egg.
It's cold, yes.
We have face.
Is it a silly face?
Peter.
Peter face?
Peter.
Peter.
Peter. Mouse. Twin.
That's
Is that a
his
silly
mouth?
face? Is that kind of like a cracker's face?
That side. That side.
Oh, yeah.
That funny
It's funny?
face.
It's a funny face.
Green, red, pink, ring, more pink, egg, coat, egg.
What color is this one?
Orange.
Very good.
Daddy, that's. Daddy, that's.
No, I think there's one more egg we have to find.
Let's find the last egg so he can sit with his friends. Let's look
Where would it
around.
be? Hey, let's go look over this way.
No,
Are you going to bring the basket? Let's go this way. Turn right. Go this way. Get back here. Let's see if we can find it. Where would it
that.
be? Is it back there?
Back
There it is!
Pink one.
It's a pink one.
You found all of them, Noah.
Cat. No.
Oh, yeah.
Sit down.
Well,